In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 20 cents per click. If you multiply this by 1,000 clicks, that's up to $200. If you want to know how you can make up to $200 from 1,000 clicks, which I'm going to show you where you're going to get traffic from, keep watching. The first thing you're going to have to do is to go to Google and search this website, entireweb.com. Once you're on this website, what you're going to do is you come to this place and click this. So once that is clicked, I'm going to have to zoom this in so you can see it very well. So now I have it zoomed in. Okay, so you're gonna come to where it says affiliate, so you're gonna click that. So that's gonna bring you to this place. Okay, so as you can see here, it's boldly written, you can earn up to 20 cents for every click. So what you're gonna be doing in this video is to get people to click and get paid. It is that simple. Okay, so if you can get up to 20 cents per click, that simply means that if you are able to get 1,000 people on this website, then you are gonna make up to $200. Okay, and $200 is significant enough. And I'm also gonna show you how you can get 1,000 people clicking on your link, and even more than 1,000. Okay, so what we're going to do is very simple. All we are going to have to do is to sign up for their affiliate program. So but before we sign up for the affiliate program, if we come down here, you can say, what do I need to become an affiliate? All you need is the passion to make money. Okay, that's all. You don't need more than that. Okay, so the next thing will be, how much will I earn? You can make quite a significant amount of money here. All it takes is for you to be willing to do what it requires to make money. Okay, and the next thing is, how and when will I be paid? Okay, so they pay you at the end of every month for the previous month. Okay, and also to point out, they pay you via a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you would want to create one. Okay, so you could just search that on YouTube, how to create a PayPal account. There are tons of videos on YouTube that are going to guide you on how to create a functional PayPal account that can receive and send money. And the next thing would be, what is not allowed. Okay, so since these guys are going to pay you 20 cents, up to 20 cents per click, you are now allowed to refer yourself. Okay, so now that we have these things cleared, so the next thing would be to sign up for their affiliate program. So all you would have to do is to create this button here. So once you click that, it's going to bring you to this place. So all you're going to have to do is to fill in these details here. They are pretty simple. So you put in all the necessary details here, and once you have your details filled in, they're going to send you an email. From there, you'll be able to finish up your sign up process. Okay, so it's that simple. Once you're signed up, you'll be able to log in, and once you're logged in, your dashboard is going to look like this. So once you're signed up and logged in, your dashboard is going to look like this. Now, very important is this link here. You can see it says it's here, your affiliate link. Okay, so this is the link you're going to copy, and this is the link you're going to share on the web to get people to click on this website. Okay, if people click on this link, you can earn up to 20 cents. Okay, so the question now is, how are we going to get people to click on this link? And that's what I'm going to show in this video. Now, you probably have seen this elsewhere on YouTube or on the internet now, but in this video I'm going to show you a very unique strategy you could use to start getting tons of clicks. Okay, if you are interested, you want to know what that strategy is, keep watching. Now the next step in this process would be to go to Google to search docs.google.com. That's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Okay, so once you're here, what you're going to have to do is to click on this blank page here, this one here. So you're going to click on that. So that's going to load a fresh page. So once you're here, what you're gonna have to do is to craft an article. You would craft a thoughtfully written article about entire web. Okay, so once you've written the article, you would use this function here, up here, to embed your entire web link that I showed you. Okay, the link you would see when you log into your entire web affiliate dashboard. Okay, now the question is, what am I going to write about entire web? What is even entire web, by the way? Now back on entire web, if we look at where it says services and we click that, that's going to take us to the services they offer on this website. Okay, you can see, you can read through their services and understand what their service is all about. Now, but if you're looking at crafting an article about entire web, one area I would want you to go to is they are free website submissions. Okay, so if we look at this, they are free submissions. And what is that? If we click that, you can see here that this is where you get to submit your site to search engines. As you can see it here, submit your site to a huge network of search engines. Now, there are a lot of people who have blogs, who have websites, but those websites are not indexed on Google. And what that means is that when you search their websites on Google, you won't find them. Okay, when you search keywords related to the content on their website, you won't find them on Google and other search engines. Okay, so when you use a site like entitleweb.com, okay, and submit your website, you can see it here, and submit your website URL, then it will be indexed on search engines, not just Google. It will be indexed on these search engines here, which means that a lot of people are gonna get to see your website. Okay, now a lot of people actually don't know that they can index their website on search engines by using a free service like this. Okay, so your job now is to write an article, talk about the importance of submitting website URLs to search engines for indexing. Okay, so that's all you have to do, and you write an article about it, and then you embed your entire web affiliate link. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so once you have read these things here and kind of like understand what it's all about, you can craft an article about it on Google Docs and use this function here to put your affiliate link. Okay, so once your affiliate link is embedded correctly, the next thing would be to come to this site here, www.slideshare.net. okay, this is a website that has a lot of people visiting on a monthly basis. Okay, so you can a lot of people come here, millions of people. So you sign up here. All you would have to do is to upload the content, whatever you've written on your Google Docs here. Okay, upload the PDF file here. So to upload, all you have to do is to hit this upload button. Okay, so but first you would need to sign up here, create an account with them, and then you'll be able to upload your content. Okay, so you might be asking what content am I going to be uploading? Like I said earlier on, the thing you wrote here. Okay, so once you're done preparing your content here, all you have to do is to come to this place where it says file. So you hit this file button. That's gonna show you where it says download. So you're gonna click that. That's gonna show you all the various ways you can download it. You can see where I said PDF, and you just click that. You'll be able to download it into your mobile device or whatever device you're using. And then when you are on slideshare.net, then you'll be able to hit this upload button and upload it, and then you're gonna get tons of views. Okay, you can see this is 4 million views of a content here. Okay, this is 1.7 million views of a content here. Okay, of course these are top peaks for the day. They have a lot of views. So this is one way you can get people reading your content and clicking on the link there, and then you'll be paid 20 cents per click. Okay, so this is it for today's video. This is Brigxel Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.